Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just a glowing summer makeup tutorial. I just really have been liking the luminous look and I just wanted to take it a step further. I found this highlighter that I'm absolutely in love with and it just inspired today's look. I just really wanted to glow, especially around the summer. Everybody wants glowing, beautiful skin, you know? So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. First, I'm going to go in with my Becca First Light Priming Filter. I just like this because it brightens up dull skin, so I thought it'd be good for this look. Next, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. This has been my favorite foundation this summer. It's just a really natural coverage. It gives me a little bit of like a luminous look to the skin without looking too dewy, if you know what I mean. This just evens out my skin tone and looks really nice on the skin. It just looks really natural. It doesn't really look like I'm wearing a lot of foundation, which I really personally like that look. Next, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Concealer. This has been one of my favorite concealers. I didn't even choose to set it today because I don't really need to. I don't find that this creases, but it just gives me enough coverage under the eye that I like. Next, I'm going in with my Purr Sculptor Kit, and I'm just using that one contouring shade. It's the lightest one in that palette that works for me. I don't really do a very chiseled contour, just a little something to give my face a little bit of definition. Next, I'm going in with the Essence Mosaic Blush, just to give my cheeks a little touch of color. I really like this one because it's not too pigmented or anything, so I don't overdo it. Next, I'm going in with the Milani Afterglow Highlighter. This one is new to my collection. I absolutely love it. It's the highlighter that kind of inspired today's look, and I just think it looks so beautiful on the skin. I'm just applying it to my cheekbones and a little bit on the high points of my forehead and a little on my nose. Next, I'm going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette. I'm going in with white chocolate just to set down the concealer. Then I'm taking a little bit of milk chocolate and I'm putting that all along the crease and the outer edges. For this look, I used like circular motions on the outer V and then just buffed it into the crease a little bit. I went back to this old palette because I was going through my collection and had a really hard time finding cool toned browns. Most of my collection is all warm tone eyeshadows and that's just not the look that I felt like going with today. So that's why I went back to this old favorite. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Glitter Primer and I'm applying that all over the lids. I just feel like this intensifies any like shimmery or metallic eyeshadow. Then I'm taking the shade Creme Brulee and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. It's just a really pretty gold shade. I forgot how much I actually liked this color on me because some golds are just like too warm toned and I don't really like that. Then I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush and just blending all that out so there's no harsh edges. Then I'm taking Champagne Truffle and I'm going to use that as my inner corner and brow bone highlight. Then I quickly threw on some mascara and eyeliner. Then to finish off the look, I'm going in with ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Aquarius. ColourPop and NYX are pretty much my two favorite like formulas for gloss. I feel like they're just so good. So yeah, that completes this glowy summertime look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.